Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson from MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2020 Bennington 24 SLX. I'm going to give you an outside view of this boat. Lots of length in this 24-foot boat. Got the 10-foot bimini. It is a pontoon. I'm going to take you on to the boat right now. This boat has great features. I love the accents with the brown and the burnt orange. It really just shows off, and it's great styling on the boat. We got the Bennington logo right there. Just looks such cool style. The white stitching. Very nice long benches on this 24-foot boat. Got another really nice long bench right here into the with the table into the L shape. You got the nice little sun pad here. If you lift this up, tons of storage under here. Also, that's where the battery switch is. This boat comes with a ski tow bar, and with that 115, plenty of horsepower for skiing, tubing, and wakeboarding for everyone. Over here in the captain's chair area in the helm, you got the kicker stereo, got the cool analog gauges, easy controls. It does come with a 10-foot bimini. Got the great flooring here. Doesn't get hot. It's a fantastic boat. Come on out and check out this awesome 24 SLX Bennington. It's a 2020 at MarineMax in Greenville at MarineMaxGreenville.com, or give us a call at 864-236-9005. Come on out and see us. Thank you.